Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase GABA levels. Let's start by understanding what GABA is and why it's so important for your well-being. GABA, or gamma-aminobutyric acid, is your brain's primary inhibitory neurotransmitter. It works to reduce neuronal excitability, essentially acting as a natural tranquilizer. When your GABA levels are balanced, you often feel more relaxed, focused, and sleep better. Conversely, low levels can lead to feelings of stress and unease. Now, let's explore how your diet can play a significant role in boosting GABA. Incorporating fermented foods such as kimchi, sauerkraut, and yogurt can support a healthy gut microbiome, which is linked to GABA production. Green tea is another excellent choice, as it contains L-theanine, an amino acid known to increase GABA and promote relaxation without drowsiness. Don't forget to include nuts, seeds, and whole grains, which provide essential nutrients for neurotransmitter synthesis. Beyond diet, certain lifestyle adjustments can significantly impact your GABA levels. Engaging in regular physical activity, even a brisk 30-minute walk each day, has been shown to increase GABA. Practices like mindfulness meditation and yoga are also incredibly effective at reducing stress, which in turn supports healthy GABA production. And of course, prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night is crucial for overall brain health and neurotransmitter balance. Finally, while diet and lifestyle are foundational, some people explore supplements. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, such as GABA or magnesium, to ensure it's right for you. Remember, simple daily habits like deep breathing exercises can offer immediate calming benefits. These steps, combined with consistent effort, can help you naturally increase your GABA levels for a more peaceful state of mind. Check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.